Welcome back to Design Bundles YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today I have a really quick project for you. If you guys are new to sublimation or you've been sublimating for a long time, you are going to love this project. So I've got this super cute sleeping mask. Now we have tons of different patterns over on designbundles.net. But I found this super cute one right here. Now, I don't think you guys can pick it up on camera over here because it's so light, but maybe once we sublimate it, it is little light bulbs with hearts in them, and I thought it would be so cute for a sleeping mask. Now, once again, we have tons of stuff from boho to country, lots of different things, whether you guys are making these for little girls or for yourself. These would be great too to make for brides and bridesmaids. This one right here, I'll link it down below. I really love it. It's so soft, and then it has like a little pocket in here, and it has its little strap on the back. So it just makes it so easy to sublimate. So this is obviously polyester. A few things you're gonna need is your lint roller and your heat tape. You never wanna miss this step here. So the very first thing we're gonna do is lint roll. Now I've got my heat press set at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and roll that here. And then I've made this design here just a little bit bigger than my mask. So what I did was I measured my mask. So I believe it was like 4 inches. Let's just say 8.5. I think it was 8.5 by 4 inches because I gave myself a little bit of a quarter bleed. So it's just like a rectangle, if you will. And then I brought in my pattern and then just printed that out. So I just made it a little bit bigger. So another thing that you're going to need is some parchment paper. So we're going to need our parchment paper, and we're going to create a taco. So we've got that here. We want to protect our pad. I've got my Cricut pad, and I'm using my bigger Cricut Easy Press today. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to take my mask. I've already lint rolled like I told you. And then I'm going to take my pattern here. We're going to go right on top right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my heat tape. What I'm doing here is I'm actually just taping this down to my parchment paper. So I'm just going to get each side right here like so. This is just going to help me with that ghosting. I'm going to fold over my taco, my sandwich, whichever one you prefer. And then we're going to take our bigger heat press here, and we're just going to give it some nice even pressure. 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So this is a super quick project, like I said. Now, what I would personally do as well, after I get done with this, or you could do it, you could go into Designscape and you can add in bride. So I could come in, type that out in black in a super cute font and type out bride and make it all one solid design to be sublimated. Now I like a little bit of texture. So once I get done with this, I could actually come back in with a name or, you know, like I said, bride or something like that, a cute little SVG, and apply that with HTV. Because if we lower it to, say for example, 305, 315, that's not at sublimation heat, so you're able to apply HTV after the fact. So if you've sublimated something, bring that temp way down, and you're going to be able to do that because we're only, you know, heating it for around 10 to 20 seconds. So I would definitely personalize it with a little bit of texture with that HTV would be really cute as well. All right, so we're going to pick this guy up out of our way, flip that over, pick up our taco here. And then very carefully, because this is super duper hot, I'm going to peel this away. So I'm hoping you guys can pick this up now. Look at these gorgeous colors. This is like a super cute coral. It's a very boho vibe. Okay, so super cute. And you may notice that it's kind of bubbled up there, that foam. It'll cool down and calm down. So I can put this on my granite top, kind of give it a little bit of pressure. But once you bring that heat down, it's going to calm down and come completely flat. So I've almost got that all the way back down. We'll go ahead and scoop these guys out of our way while I'm cooling this down. But how darling is this? I'm hoping you guys are picking those colors up. So cute. Once again, a very cute boho vibe. Now with this one, this was a pattern bundle. Once again, 1+ credit. If you guys are a Plus member, I got this for 1+ credits. And it was an entire bundle. There was different colors. I could put a background. So this is a white background here. You could do all sorts of different colors. They had them in blues and all those. So I thought this was really darling. Once again, if I wanted to, I could come in and add love, or like I said, I could even just add somebody's monogram or something like that. It would be absolutely adorable. So once again, just a super quick craft for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.